Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Bitly links, quick tip step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Bitly website. If you don't already have an account, create one by clicking the sign up button. Once logged in, you'll see the Bitly dashboard. To create a new link, locate the create button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the create button. In the pop-up window, paste the URL you want to shorten into the designated field. Bitly will automatically generate a shorter version of your link. You can customize this link by clicking the Customize button if desired. After customization, hit the Save button to finalize your new link. Once your link is created, you can copy it by clicking the Copy button next to it. To share your link, paste it into your preferred platform. To track link performance, return to the Bitly dashboard. Here, you can view analytics for how many times your link has been clicked. You can also see where your clicks are coming from geographically. This data can help you understand your audience better. With Bitly, you can manage multiple links from your dashboard easily. Feel free to explore additional features like link grouping in branded domains. Using Bitly links can help you streamline your sharing process and track engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.